Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn about how to download as a bulk operation the users list or groups from Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Let's open up the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, navigate to Identity, and then from Users, All Users. This is where you should be able to work with the users, right? So here, let's say I wanted to perform some kind of bulk operation to download all the list of users. Simply click on Download Users and give a meaningful name. So I'm giving here auto-generated name like Export Users and start download. This might take some time. The files has been downloaded successfully, so I can close the notification and simply have to click here to download this file. This is going to open up in my Excel, and as you can see here, the complete details of my user accounts coming from my Entra ID. That being said, this will be very useful in terms of let's say you want to find out a specific information which might not be immediately showing here within the console, but you wanted to get it filtered from this export list, you should be able to perform. That being said, let's catch you in the next lecture.